Popsicle Club. My name is Zora.
My name's Willow.
So today we're going to be showing you the stave game.
Native American
game, and it's really fun. The history is, the stave game is an Ohlone game of chance. It was played with 6 sticks. The sticks were small sections of branches cut in half. The round side of the stick was decorated and the flat side was the left plain. So, for the history, it said that they made different sticks and they colored one half. She gets 3 sticks and I get 3 sticks, and we're going to be coloring them with black and red. You need 6 popsicle sticks and you need 10 wooden skewers. So if you're using wooden skewers, bamboo skewers, you need to file them down. You gotta make sure the tip is not sharp, because you don't want to hurt yourself when you're playing. So she's gonna do it on there too.
So we're gonna put geometric designs on the front of it.
We can do whatever design we want. So I'm gonna do star and black stripe.
I'm doing a red stripe and then hearts. And then on the last one,
Show me your zigzag.
These are
popsicle sticks, because we just chose to do what designs we wanted, but you guys can do whatever one you want. So now that that's done, the rules. The stave game is played with 6 wooden staves. That's what we have, 6 wooden staves. But they're popsicle sticks because we don't have wooden staves. The staves are each round and marked on one side, flat or plain on the other. Counting sticks are used for keeping score. These are the counting sticks. The player or team who wins all the sticks wins the game. One player takes 6 staves in their hand and tosses them lightly. So just put them all in our hands. We're going to take all the staves. We're going to see who goes first. Row, paper, scissors, shoot.
Whoa, I don't get it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Guess I will go first. So it tosses them lightly. So I'm going to do this. Okay. If they land 3 up or 3 down, the player gets 1 point in another turn.
You got them.
I didn't get that, but let's see. We got 4 down and 2 up. So I don't get a point. She gets to go. If they land all up or all down, the player gets 2 points and another turn. If they land any other way, the player gets no points and the staves go to the next player. Oh, we got all up, so she gets 2 staves.
Then
she gets to go again.
I'm lucky.
Nothing.
I got this.
She got 5 designs and 1 point.
She got
I get
1.
nothing.
Nothing.
I got 5 plain and 1 colored. So I don't get.
My turn.
So far, she's winning.
Okay, she got one of mine. My turn. Sugar. Bow.
And she got 4 up and 1.
No, Zola, see.
No. It wasn't like that before. I got all up.
No, Zoe, it doesn't go like that. You only get to get 1 of them. Why?
No, for all up I get 2. I won.
No, she
it's
didn't.
all
She
up.
didn't do that. She didn't. It's not supposed to go like the rules. It says if you get all up, you only get to take 1 of the balls.
No, it's 2.
Look. You look.
So I won, and I am so happy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and see us in the next video. Bye! No.